If the battery is not charging to 100% on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, what you can do is, first of all, we need to open settings. Next, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then proceed to battery. Over here, you should be able to find the battery protection, so go over here, and there is a chance that you have, for example, this adaptive protection enabled, which stops charging at 80% while you are asleep. And so perhaps if something goes wrong in the process, if the phone doesn't start charging again, then this can be the reason why the battery is stuck at 80%. Besides that, we also have this basic battery protection, which can limit charging to 95%. Or actually, it may look like it limits to 95%, but essentially it charges to 100%. But if it does that, once it reaches the 100% of battery, then it stops charging and then it lets it drop down to 95 before it starts charging again. And there is also a chance that you will have the maximum battery protection enabled, which of course limits the battery by default to 80% as well. You can also set it to 85, 90 and 95. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.